Welcome everyone, Andy here, and today you join me on a bit of a short break holiday. Just gone this weekend and in a place called Barmouth in sort of, I suppose you call it the northwest of Wales. I prefer that the sun is behind me and I am a silhouette because I have full on burnt my face yesterday. The heat is insane here, there's no wind. I mean, if you can see behind, it's gorgeous actually looking at the moment, but believe me, I am burning. Full on sun lotion, hat on, sweltering, scarf up 'cause burnt my neck. My arms are red. Yep, I'm an idiot. I should know better. It is bad. So that's why I'm doing the wrong thing, which is to look away from the sun. So the sun is behind me and that's the reason why. So I tried to film a little bit with the drone just around the beach, made sure I didn't go below 150 feet because obviously there's people around. But that's fine, you know, normally I like to be a bit lower than I do higher, but with everyone being around I wanted to be safe and secure. And the thing is, it was actually quite dull when I filmed, even though it was ridiculously hot. I mean, I know areas today in England or Britain are going to be hitting 34 Celsius, which is mad. It's hotter than Miami at the moment. So anyway, I'm going to show you the footage I've got. Unfortunately, I don't think it's quite as sunny as it is now because it's just as I'm walking back to the sort of campsite that I tried to do a little bit more filming. But then I ran out of battery. Sorry, not battery, I ran out of memory on the memory card. I need to get a bigger memory card. Right everyone, hope you enjoy the footage and the little video I'm about to make. Thanks for watching as always, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks everyone, see ya, bye.